So now I want to talk to you about the SIP tutorial, which is happening on the 19th. If you're at a university, if you're somebody who actually is working on applications and trying to use Java and SIP, this is the event for you because of the fact that the SIP tutorial featuring our pals Dr. Alan Johnston and Dr. Henry Sinreich are going to sit there and talk to you about not only what SIP is today, but what it's going to be in the future as to how it's connected up to the web, how it's connected up to peer-to-peer, and how it's connected up to other strategies that you may be looking to implement in your business. So if you're application-oriented, or more importantly, network-savvy, SIP is probably going to be involved in your discussions, including wireless, by the way, despite what you hear. And it's important that you understand what SIP is capable of doing for you. So come January 19th, by the way, you will get continuing education credit for this. So January 19th in Miami Beach.